Hi there, welcome to today's short video of K2 Base, how to delete modules. I have already prepared a module field with a DDOM V 10 degree system on a flat roof, and for deleting modules, you can see here, by the way, that there are already two obstacles, and in the area where the obstacles are, we already have spare place where no modules are automatically. But now I want to delete more modules, so I activate my rubber gum, so to speak. This is this tiny little button here, and by clicking I can delete modules. In this case, because I have a east-west elevation DDOM V, I have to delete two modules at once. So each click means deleting two modules. As far as I cannot zoom in more, I better switch to 2D view, and here it's easier for me to work. So as I said, I will now delete modules just by clicking, and once I delete a module accidentally and I want to redo this action, I just click again and the module is there again. If I want to delete a whole row, I push the control button first and then click the mouse. If I want to delete a column, I use the shift button and click the mouse then. If I want to delete a whole area, I also push the control button, then I click the mouse button, I keep the mouse button pressed, and I release it once I have opened my area. And at that time I also release the control button. Well, that's mainly it. Now important to say is, if I want to head on and save my project or want to calculate the loads, I first have to end the deleting mode by just clicking on the icon again. Then it gets white, and now I can save my project. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.